The anticipation surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is reaching new heights as the launch date approaches. The decision to host the event in San Jose, California, adds an extra layer of excitement to the unveiling. The focus is primarily on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but the entire series, including the S24 and S24 Plus, is generating buzz. One of the most significant changes expected in the S24 Ultra is its shift from a curved screen to a sleek, flat design. This design overhaul is not just about aesthetics, it also includes a noteworthy camera upgrade, with the 10x periscope lens being replaced by a powerful 50-megapixel telephoto lens. This change reflects Samsung's commitment to delivering top-notch camera capabilities. Under the hood, the S24 Ultra is rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, promising exceptional performance. Meanwhile, the standard S24 and S24 Plus models may feature Samsung's Exynos 2400 chip in specific regions. The integration of advanced AI features is another exciting prospect, catering to tech enthusiasts who value cutting-edge technology. While official details and pricing are yet to be revealed, the Galaxy S24 series is shaping up to be a compelling blend of style and high-tech performance. Samsung appears to be targeting both its loyal fan base and newcomers to the brand with these innovations. As the launch date draws near, tech enthusiasts can look forward to more updates and details about these highly anticipated smartphones. Stay tuned for the latest developments, and let the excitement continue to build.